Quick how-to for building a storyboard panel manually in Act 3. How to open the storyboard section. From the editor page, go to the Preview and Sets column and scroll down to the storyboard section. How to start a manual storyboard. Click Create manually. That gives you an empty storyboard you can fill panel by panel. How to add a panel. Click Add Panel. One panel gets added to the storyboard. How to set up the panel and generate the first frame. On the Build First Frame section on the panel, pick which model to use for the build. 3 are available: GPT, Imagine 2.0, Nano Banana 2, and Nano Banana Pro. The credit cost is different for each one. Pick the resolution for the panel. 3 options: 1K, 2K, or 4K. Higher resolution uses more credits. Type the prompt for the panel. If you have a reference image, add it. If you don't, skip it. Click the button next to the credit count. That triggers the panel generation. How to check the progress of the panel. Open the Render Queue page to see the progress. I've already opened it in a new tab. To get there yourself, go to the home page and click Render Queue on the side nav bar. Click the Images tab at the top. Your panel build shows up with a status. When the status turns to Completed, head back to the storyboard. How the finished panel shows up. Once the build completes, the image drops into the panel you just added. How to regenerate a panel. 2 ways. Click the Generate button again to rerun the same prompt. Or change the prompt first and then generate, and the new panel reflects the change. That covers building a storyboard panel manually. Thanks for watching.